Hi, I'm Richard from EVs and Beyond, and today we're installing an electric vehicle charger. Which one? This one, to be specific. This is an EO Mini Pro. It's been given to us by our friends at YHI Energy. And yeah, we're going to put it in here at the house of our General Manager, Deborah. Why? Because I've already got a charger, and being one of my staff members, she drives an EV full time. That's the EVs and Beyond BYD behind us, but her daily is our old, if you remember our magazine in the past and videos in the past, MG ZSEV. So she's been running for over a year on a granny cable, which isn't necessarily a great experience. So this is going to be a really big upgrade for her. And one of the people here to do that upgrade is Jason Hogg from EV Connect. Thanks for joining us, Jason, here today.
Hi there,
Thanks
Richard.
for installing this.
Yeah, no worries.
No worries. Now, you must be doing a few of these installs at the moment.
Yeah, it's ramping up. Yeah, we're getting maybe like 3 or 4 a week now. So yeah, and people are seeing the advantages of having that fast charging option at home.
Yep.
Just so they can leave with 100% state of charge every day. It works really well for them.
So like most homes, it's going to be a 7 kilowatt charger when it's done?
It's a 7.4 kilowatt, runs off a 32 amp circuit. So that should give them on a standard battery maybe 5 to 6 hours of charge overnight to get them to 100%.
Yeah. Now, all installs, I'm guessing, are different. This one here is a little bit challenging.
Yeah.
Would you be happy to take us for a bit of a walk through and show us what's needing to be done to get a charger into this house here?
No problem at all. Yeah,
Excellent.
I'd love to.
Great.
Hi there, we're doing a bit of a tricky install today. It's not the standard one we usually expect, so we're putting an EO Mini Pro 2 in for Deborah. The installation process always starts with a site assessment for every customer. Have a look at the location of the charger, have a look where the switchboard is, and look at the best method to put their install in for them. Today's a bit of a tricky install. We've got a switchboard in the centre of the house, so it's a bit more involved. And we're going to mount the charger on the black brickwork there. That'll look great with the black charger against it. Run a conduit all the way to an isolation switch just inside the garage, and then run conduit all the way around the outside of the house to an entry point in the living room to enable us to access the switchboard. Stairwell one side, closed ceiling, so we're going to run some 25mm trunking up to the switchboard and install a 32 amp circuit and a current transformer to monitor the load for the house. So Deborah's my very lovely customer. We've done the EO for today, and we're going to set up the user app. And then we'll join the local Wi-Fi network of the charger. Okay, so Deborah, that's your app set up, now ready to go, so we can plug your BYD in and get a charge in there, shall we?
Yeah, let's do it.
Perfect.
Thank you so much for installing that, Jason.
No problem. It's
Not too many issues along the way?
No, it was great. Yeah, really good in the end, and hopefully you get many fine hours of charging.
And it looks pretty good on that black wall, I think, on that grey wall. Right, let's plug this in, make sure that it works.
So we've got a green LED now.
It's making the right sounds. If we look in
Charging
the BYD.
away nicely.
She's ramping up. We're up to 6.2 kilowatts already, which is pretty good for the BYD. So there you go. That is a run through from beginning to end on the install on an EO charger, an EO Mini Pro. Thanks again to YHI Energy for supplying the unit and sorting out the install. Thanks to Jason and the team from EV Connect for getting it all in. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time on EVs and Beyond.